going, what an unintelligent man.
It does make a bit of a scene.
It does, really.
You know what the most uncivilised thing you can do with a car is use launch control at a zebra crossing. That's really...
Come on, old lady. Hurry him up. Can I just say one other thing as well about launch control? Only one of us has it fitted to our car.
Yeah, it's true.
Is it?
Is it?
It's
No,
him.
it's him.
James May has launch control.
Yeah, I don't use it.
Really?
You don't say.
You sure?
No, it's...
Every time you leave the pie shop, thanks for the pies, I'm off.
Can anybody think of a device fitted to modern cars that's more stupid than launch control?
You're fitted to quite a lot, mate.
No, has anybody got any idea?
What, like a gizmo? Like
Gizmo fit... What? No,
No, they're utterly... They're
very useful, you stupid idiot. Cup holders are brilliant things for if you need a drink and they'll fall out.
Yeah.
No, I have actually a really good one. Is Mercedes and BMW now fit a night vision camera, OK? So you can drive along at night and the dashboard has got this screen showing you what's on the road ahead. So I was driving up a country lane the other day, single track, OK? Doing about 60 miles an hour, which is legal. Middle of the night, I thought, God, I'm going to try and drive just using the night vision camera.
Why am I not surprised?
Turn the lights off, yeah? Look down to see where I was going, and there's just a message saying, night vision not available when lights off. I could hear all the bushes on the...
Forgive me. That's night vision that only works in the day.
With the lights on, yeah.
Looking for snipers, would it? Stand still, I'll just... Bink, lights on, now I can line up.
Now, last weekend, James brought you news of a new Range Rover called the Evoque. Well, this week, there's more new Range Rover news. There's a new Sport. Now, what's interesting about this is it has voice control, OK? With what Land Rover call a say what you see function.